living life in color. Everything around me looks so beautiful and sweet.
Hey, what's up, good family? It's Joseph Trujillo and Trisha Love, my beautiful wife. We are out here at the Golden Hour in downtown Los Angeles, having an amazing rooftop event for Industry Leaders Association.
Yep, and LA Style Magazine. We have the both of them combined. We're so excited. It's absolutely stunning. Everybody looks fabulous, and networking is top notch. Such a good time. Don't miss out on our next events coming out. This was a sold out event, guys.